Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 9th September 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, have mercy on yourselves. Gallop ahead in this study. Don't spoil your register by performing any sinful act. Question. In order for you to pass this elevated study, what main teachings do you receive? To what must you pay special attention in order to achieve this? Answer. In order to pass this study, your eyes have to be very, very pure, because those eyes deceive you, those eyes become criminal. When you look at someone's body, the organs cause mischief. Therefore, your eyes must never become criminal. In order to become pure, maintain the consciousness of being brothers and sisters. Pay full attention to the pilgrimage of remembrance. Song is, Have patience, O mind. Your days of happiness are about to come. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. The time for the examination is coming very close. Therefore, make effort to bring benefit to yourself and everyone else. Study and also teach others. Charity begins at home. Number 2. Become soul conscious and accumulate a true, imperishable income for yourself. Keep your own register. Never perform any sinful acts that would spoil your register. Blessing for today. May you be a true server and empower others by giving them the cooperation of zeal and enthusiasm. Details are: a server means one who empowers others with the cooperation of zeal and enthusiasm. Now, there is little time and there is going to be the maximum creation coming here. Don't become happy by thinking that so many have already come. The numbers are now going to increase a lot more, and so you now have to give the return of the sustenance you have received. Be cooperative with weak souls that come, and make them powerful, unshakable and immovable, and you will then be called true servers. Slogan is, Stabilize the soul, the spirit, whenever, wherever and however you want. This is spiritual drill. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. The sign of your having a powerful mind is that you can go wherever you want to in a second. When your mind has learned how to fly and develops that practice, you should be able to go wherever you want in a second. One moment, you would be in the corporeal world, and in a second, you should be in Paramadham. Now increase this practice.